got a YNW Melly update. You heard me? Yo, what's good, y'all? No. Okay. Yo, YNW Melly didn't call them a win. Real talk, he didn't call them a dub. In this case, we about to run through it real quick. Give y'all an update of what's going on. Let's go. Courtesy of TMZ. Let's go. YNW Melly just scored a huge legal win because prosecutors in Florida just dropped the witness tampering charges against him on the cusp of his trial. So that's a good one for him. Here we go again. Let's keep reading. The Murder on My Mind rapper was set to stand trial on the state charges. Jury selection was set to begin Wednesday, but now he can turn his attention on his double murder trial. Melly's attorney Drew Finley and Kerry Hawwood tell TMZ on behalf of Jamell Demons, we welcome the dismissal of the alleged witness tampering and gang-related charges in court this morning, and his newly retained legal team. It became immediately apparent to us that no crimes had occurred. Unfortunately, for 652 days while these charges were pending, the state did not reach the same conclusion until the cusp of the trial. So, close to the trial, getting into the trial, that's when the state is making that decision to drop those charges. And the defense team is saying they didn't even have no witness to support, no witness tampering evidence. So that charge was just like a bogus charge, basically. All right, let's keep going. There go that boy. Let's keep going. Let's go. Unclear why the charges were dropped. Prosecutors had alleged Melly was colluding with his co-defendant Cortland Henry and another inmate to prevent Melly's ex from testifying in the double murder case. Y'all remember that? When they was saying they was trying to get him not to get his ex-girlfriend, to not testify. I know y'all remember that. Let's keep going. With the tampering charges off the table, Melly's attorneys tell us they now try to free him from Broward County from jail pending his double trial. So they're trying to get him out, basically. But bro, he's one of the longest sitting person I know that been waiting for a trial. Melly is accused of murdering two of his childhood friends in October 2018 in a drive-by shooting. He stood trial in 2023, but jurors were deadlocked and it ended in a mistrial. Melly's double murder retrial is set for January 2027, and the stakes are high because he could face the death penalty if convicted, and we know that part, that he's facing the death penalty. So, in the short, to sum it up for y'all, bro, look, the witness tampering charges are off the table for now. I mean, they ain't pursuing that no more. So that's a good look for him. You know what I mean? His co-defendant already took a plea deal. A lot of people was looking at it like that plea deal was gonna hurt Melly. But as we can see, a lot of this stuff is coming towards helping him right now. So if you're a Melly fan, this gonna be good news for you. If you not a Melly fan, this probably gonna be bad news for you. But don't try to get at the messenger. I'm just the messenger right here. I'm just giving you an update of what's going on. You know what I mean? And I feel like everybody deserves their fair side of the story being told. So this is a big win for Melly in court. You know what I mean? I mean, he's been in there for years. You know what I mean? Imagine if he's been in there for years and he's really innocent. We don't know. 9 or 10, we wasn't there. We're just assuming. And it looks like he did it, but looks could be deceiving. So let's let this play out in court and let's see how it turns out. But for now, he gotta wait, and that's a long trial date. He gotta wait till next year, 2027. He gotta sit down and wait until. And I want to say, shouts out to his legal team, Drew Finley. Them, they doing a real good job. They got off a lot of people, off a lot of charges that wasn't, you know what I mean, some bogus, cooked up charges. People act like people don't cook up charges on people every day. When you're successful, hey, that's when they come to get you. So I'm happy he scored a dub right here. Hopefully, you know what I mean, I wish this whole thing didn't play out how it played out, but unfortunately it did. You know what I mean? We can't go back, we can't change that. We just got to see what happens moving forward. And like I said, you're a Melly fan, you're gonna be happy. If you're not, you're probably gonna be mad at this. But let the legal system play out itself. He been in there for a hot minute now. And look, like I said, man, y'all ain't hit the sub yet. You ain't hit the follow yet. Why? We growing over here. Let's go.